I want to show you something very interesting for you. All these are American dice, bicycle dice, 16 millimeters, solid dice, white without logo, red translucent transparent dice, green translucent transparent dice. All are 16 millimeters dice. And these are the casino dice, high quality acrylic dice. Look. Let me show you the solid dice. Let me show you the transparent, translucent dice. Green dice, or any other color. You can send me any dice from America. We can load and we can ship to you directly, or you can pick it up directly from Miami. So all these dice are rigged dice, 16 millimeters or 20 millimeters. So we can control with this remote control on A and B the polarity. What does it mean? It means when you play CeeLo with 3 dice like this, when you press A, it will come low, means small. For example, 1, 1, 2, or 1, 1, 1, or 2, 2, 2, or 3, 3, 3, and so on. So small is from 1 to 3, and on B is directly big, 4, 5, 6, like 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 4, 5, and so on. Multiple combinations with 3 dice CeeLo. These are loaded dice. These are loaded dice. All from here are loaded dice. Even this bicycle that we ship exactly like this. So you can buy it from Miami. We have a stock of 500 like this, 500 like this, and 500 like this. So you can take it right away from stock. This is magnetic dice for electronic board. We have in Miami office also multiple electronic boards, different shapes, different intensity, different power, and so on. So check the Miami stock and take it right away. We can ship from Miami to any city, any state directly from stock. You don't need to wait. You don't need to search on internet anymore. Everything is in Miami now. We are in Miami. So you can play CeeLo 3 dice, but you can play also 7-Eleven. So look at this dice.